Am I the only one that didn't know picking your first coding language is a lot like picking your starter Pokemon? Each one leads you down a totally different path. Let's figure out which is right for you. Alright, so you want to start coding. But the sea of programming languages is huge, right? Don't stress, it all comes down to your goals. If you dream of building websites, JavaScript is your best friend. It's everywhere online and super beginner friendly. Eyeing automation or maybe data science, Python's the go-to. It's simple, readable, and massively popular in those fields. Thinking about making Android apps or want a solid object-oriented foundation? Java's a classic pick. There are tons of jobs and resources out there for it. Now if you're curious about how computers really tick, or you love the idea of high performance, C++ lets you peek under the hood. But here's the secret. There's no single best language, just the best four. Check out job prospects, online communities, and beginner resources for each one. Pick a language that matches your interests and has strong support for learners. And remember, your first language isn't your last. Once you've got the basics down, switching to others is way easier. So, which one will you choose? Drop your pick in the comments. Like and subscribe for more tips, and check the blog in the description for a deeper dive. Your coding journey starts right here.